Hi friends, so today we'll be touring this 5.5 million single family home here in Diamond Head. Let's check it out. Welcome to 3857 Polka Street in Diamond Head, one of Oahu's most iconic and prestigious neighborhoods. This home was designed by the award-winning architect Jeff Long. It was built in 2000 and was one of his earlier works. With over 4,500 square feet of living space, every detail of this home is thoughtful without feeling overdone. You've got spiral staircases, Juliette balconies, and a gourmet kitchen set up for real cooking. Throughout the home, oversized windows frame the coastline from Black Point to Cocoa Head. It's the kind of view that just doesn't get old. On the top floor, you have bedrooms on both the left and right wings for privacy. At the center, there's a versatile office or den that can be converted into a fourth bedroom if needed. Here in the primary suite, you have an office space with beautiful views of the ocean. And on top of that, you have a huge walk-in closet that's basically a room on its own. You also have an ensuite bathroom where you're greeted by this gorgeous drop-in soaking tub with 2 separate toilets, built-in vanity, and a walk-in shower. Downstairs on the main level, there's an additional guest suite complete with its own ensuite bath, featuring a walk-in shower, soaking tub, and an expansive vanity area. This is perfect for visiting family or multi-generational living. On the lower floor, there's a wet bar, its own bath, laundry, and has a separate entry. It opens right out to the pool and garden. If you're looking for a home that blends design, privacy, and location, this home is one of those rare finds. Contact me to see it for yourself. See you guys next week.